Hey everyone, it's Biochemistry Basics back with another episode. I'm Microbe.
And I'm Mind. Today, we'll be talking about atoms and subatomic particles. Atoms make up the world around us, forming bonds with each other to build up into objects.
Each atom has three main parts: protons, which have a positive charge of 1, neutrons, which have no charge, and electrons, which have a negative charge of 1.
Protons and neutrons are clumped together in the nucleus, the center of the atom. The electrons spin around on the outside in areas called orbitals. They move so fast and randomly that it's impossible to predict which way they are in an atom.
While protons and neutrons are the building blocks of atoms, they're made of quarks, which are even smaller.
Fermions are particles that make up all matter. These are the things that make up subatomic particles in an atom. There are two types of fermions you should know: quarks and leptons.
Quarks make up protons and neutrons. The two most important are the up quark with a charge of positive 2/3 and down quark with a charge of negative 1/3. A proton is made of 2 up quarks and 1 down quark, making a positive 1 charge, and a neutron is made of 1 up quark and 2 down quarks, making a 0 charge, or a neutral charge. Leptons are lighter particles, like electrons. Electrons have a charge of negative 1. Electrons are already very small and almost have the same mass as a quark. Therefore, as of now, they are not known to be made of anything smaller. That means they're currently considered fundamental particles.
There are other quarks and leptons too, like charm, strange, muon, and tau, but we won't go into those today. They're mostly found in science experiments or quantum physics.
Okay, so fermions make up protons and neutrons, but how do they stick together?
Great question. That's where bosons come in. They're force carriers. One of them helps bind together the up quarks and the down quarks.
Here are the famous ones. I'm sure you've heard of photons, which carry light and electricity with an electromagnetic force, but the one that is present in the atom as a binding force is the gluon, and it glues quarks together. Let's build a simple atom like hydrogen. One proton, which is made of 2 up quarks and 1 down quark, equals a positive 1 charge, and gluons to hold the protons and neutrons together, along with 1 electron, which is a negative 1 charge. The total charge is 0, making an atom.
And bigger atoms just add more protons, neutrons, and electrons to change their properties and become different elements. No matter what, the end charge of a normal atom will always be 0. Let's do a quick recap. Atoms are made of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are made of quarks.
The most famous quarks are the up quark with a charge of positive 2/3 and the down quark with a charge of negative 1/3. Electrons are leptons with a charge of negative 1, and fermions are matter particles, like quarks and leptons.
Last but not least, to bind everything together, we have bosons, force carriers, like photons and gluons. Bosons don't make up matter themselves, they hold things together.
So that's a wrap on today's basic rundown of atoms. We hope you learned something new and exciting today. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Spotify, and YouTube to keep up with all the science talk we've got coming your way.
Until next time, learners, see you in the next episode. Bye!